Hello. Para el desarrollo del ejercicio de la lectura, seleccioné del módulo 6 el ejercicio 2. Bueno, Level A2, Motor 6. Look at the example. Today is my mother's birthday. I am going to call her. It's 7 o'clock. I am going to watch the news. It's very cool here. I am going to get a sweater. I am hungry. I am going to have lunch. I finished high school. I am going to study medicine. 2. Talking about future plans. Be going to fill in the blanks. I have a lot of plans for today. I am going to take a shower now. I am going to have breakfast. And then I am going to meet my friends at the office. We are going to have lunch together and then we are going to back to the office and I am going to have coffee with Billy, my boyfriend. Okay, bye bye.